If you gave WhatsApp access to your contacts, all you need to do is add a new contact to your phone the way you normally would. Be sure to add the country code. Then, when you open WhatsApp, the new contact from your phone will automatically appear in WhatsApp. You can also add a new contact to WhatsApp within the app itself. To do so, first open WhatsApp. Then click on the new chat icon in the upper right-hand corner. Then select New Contact. Then fill out their name, country, phone number, and any other relevant information. Finally, click Save. If neither of these options are working, it means the person you're trying to add doesn't have a WhatsApp account. In that case, you can send them an invite to WhatsApp by going to Settings. Then click on Tell a Friend. Then choose the way you want to invite your friend through text message, email, or other. Once they accept your invitation and download WhatsApp, then you can add them into your contacts.